Ever pondered how your spirituality influences your career growth? It's a surprising connection, isn't it? When we talk about spirituality, we're not necessarily discussing religion. We're delving into a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. This profound insight can play a significant role in our professional lives, enhancing our focus, enriching our decision-making, and fostering healthier interpersonal relationships. So it seems, spirituality and career growth are not as disconnected as they might seem. Consider the story of a successful professional we'll call Aman. Once a struggling professional, Aman found himself caught in the throes of career turmoil, grappling with stress and uncertainty. But instead of succumbing to the pressure, he sought solace and strength through spirituality. He started incorporating meditation into his daily routine, a practice that helped him cultivate inner peace and clarity. This newfound serenity allowed Aman to approach his work with a calm and focused mind, enhancing his productivity and decision-making abilities. Mindfulness too became a part of Aman's life. By being present in the moment, he was able to build stronger connections with his colleagues and clients. This not only improved his work relationships, but also accelerated his career trajectory. His spiritual practices didn't just transform him as an individual, but also as a leader. Aman's story illuminates the profound impact of spirituality on career growth. So what can we learn from Aman's journey? Well, it's clear that spirituality isn't just a personal journey, but a professional one too. It sharpens focus, enhances decision-making, and nurtures interpersonal relationships. These are all crucial skills for advancing in your career. We've seen how Aman has used his spiritual journey to fuel his professional development. Perhaps it's time for you to tap into your spiritual side for that career boost you've been seeking. Remember, spirituality is not just about finding peace. It's also about finding success, so why not give it a try?